Hi everyone, we're here at Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln on this nice windy day, and we are outside the 2014 Zinger 302KB travel trailer. Let's take a look. Here's the front of this Zinger travel trailer. You can see it has an electric tongue jack, awning. This has both styles of the grab handle, both the folding and the mounted, and triple stairs. Outside speakers, and it has a nice large outside kitchen entertainment area, so you could put a TV in that space there, and it also does have the refrigerator with some more storage space. It has a spare tire on the back along with the outside shower. It has the little rain gutters. One slide over on the driver's side. Nice tinted windows, gives you a little bit of privacy. Let's go check out the inside. Coming up the stairs in this Zinger travel trailer, you get a nice view of the whole camper. Right behind us is the door to the bedroom. There's a sliding door that separates this room from the main room. And there is a space to put a TV right over there. Otherwise, you can also put a TV out here in the main area. There is the little entertainment center stereo right there. Moving on to the slide, there's some storage above the sofa. A booth dinette. More storage space there. Let's check out the kitchen. Nice RV refrigerator, microwave, range hood, right above the 3-burner stove with the oven. There's some more storage underneath the sink. It is a double weld sink, and also in the cabinets above. There is a nice skylight in the middle of the living area here, so it allows a lot of natural light to come in, as well as a roof air. If we move on towards the back, here's the door to the bathroom. There's a foot flush toilet, sink, and a mirrored medicine cabinet with a power vent fan, skylight above the tub shower, and if we keep going to the back here, there is a curtain that separates the bunk room. Here's a top bunk with wardrobe underneath, built-in stairs so you don't have to worry about a ladder, another top bunk, and a bottom bunk. If you would like to see this trailer or any of our other travel trailers, you can come on down. We're on the corner of 27th and Cornhusker Highway, or you can view all of our inventory on our website, leachrv.com.